Hello everyone, today's topic is e-waste generation in India. What is e-waste? The term e-waste refers to electronic and electrical waste. Here the term waste indicates that an electronic product that has reached the end of its useful life. The owner discards such products with no intention of reusing them. Electronic waste includes TV, computers, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, fridge, washing machine, toys, kettles that have reached the end of their useful life. Now let's see, why is e-waste in India a problem? Even though India has increased e-waste collection and processing by 4 times in 4 years, 95% of e-waste is illegally handled by the informal sectors. The informal waste, because known as kabadiwals, do not follow environmental standards and burn material that cannot be recycled or divert to landfills, potentially causing severe environmental damage and health hazards. Furthermore, recyclers in the informal sector use rudimentary recycling techniques that can release toxic pollutants into the surrounding environment, and many hazardous substances in e-waste are extremely dangerous to human health and the environment. After the United States and China, India is the world's largest producer of e-waste, producing 3.23 million tons per year. In 2020 to 2021, India produced 3.4 lakh tons of e-waste. According to CPCB, the generation of plastic waste per year is increasing by 3%, and the generation of e-waste is even higher, with waste produced totaling 7.1 lakh tons in 2018-19 and 10.14 lakh tons in 2019 to 20. Every year there is a 31% increase. There are only 468 authorized recyclers and 2,808 collection points in 22 states. The capacity of 468 recyclers in 13 lakh tons, which is insufficient to meet Indians' e-waste generation. Now let's see what are the negative effects on the environment. There are many negative effects on the environment. Air pollution is a big problem in India. 9 out of 10 most populated cities in the whole world are in India. Plastic and other low value e waste are frequently burned, releasing fine particles into the air. Desoldering is a technique for extracting gold and silver from e waste material that, if done incorrectly, can emit chemicals and harmful fumes. 80% of India's surface water is polluted, and sacred rivers Ganga and Yamuna are considered among the most populated rivers in the world. Dumping e-waste into landfill impacts surface and underground water because harmful chemicals leach from landfills into surface water. Furthermore, toxic byproducts of improper e-waste recycling will end up in sewers and city drains. These products can contaminate surface water if they enter local waterways. Let's see, how is e-waste in India recycled? E-waste recycling is challenging because discarded electronic products are sophisticated devices consisting of various proportions of glass, plastic, and metal. The recycling process differs based on the material and technology employed. There are like 3 different types of how e-waste in India is recycled. Let's see the first one. First one is collection and transportation. Collection and transportation are the first steps in any recycling process, including e-waste. Recyclers place collection bins or electronic take-back booths in key locations and transport the material collected to recycling plants or centers. The second method is shredding, sorting, and separation. The collection material will be processed and separated into clean commodities to create new products. The first step in e-waste shredding is sorting and separating plastic from metals and internal circuits. E-waste is shredded into 100 millimeter pipes before being sorted. And then a strong magnet separates iron and steel from waste streams on the convoy. Mechanical processing is used to separate aluminium, copper, and circuit boards from the material stream. which is now mostly plastic. Glass is separated from plastic using water separation technology. The quality of extracted materials is improved by visual inspection and hand sorting. The final step in the separation process is to locate and extract any remaining material remnants from the plastic to purify the stream even further. Following the completion of the shredded, sorting, and separation stages, the separated materials are ready for sale as unsortable use and are ready for sale as usable material for manufacturing new electronics and other products. Now let's see the importance of e-waste recycling. Electronic devices contains precious metals such as gold and silver. However, only 10% of these metals are recycled, with the remaining in the trash. We can make the world a better place by recovering precious metal. When you recycle electronic waste, you are removing hazardous material found in electronic products, such as mercury, chromium, and cadmium. These metals are hazardous to human life and also contain heavy metals. Poisonous materials harm the ecosystem, including plants, trees, and animals. They can also create natural disaster, resulting in human tragedy and loss. Hence, e-waste recycling is essential. The recovery of valuable metals from the recycling process reduces the demand for new raw material. Electronic devices refurbished, reused, and donated to a worthy cause can be kept out of landfills.